Hello, welcome back. It's been a while since I did a video. Today is March the 18th. It is very much feels like the start of spring. It's the warmest day of the year. The Gold Cup has just finished in Cheltenham. I'm down at Ellenborough Park and I'm reviewing my new car. And I'm talking about why I bought a Mini Cooper S convertible and sold my Mazda MX5. So my Mini Cooper is a Mini Cooper S. You can tell it's a Mini Cooper S because it's got the air intake. It's not supercharged anymore. It's a 2-litre turbo and it's got a bonnet bulge as well, which shows it's a Cooper S. And I've got the generation they call the F57. Mine's the facelift one, which has got a bit of a George Michael style goatee beard grille there, which I'm quite fond of. Obviously it's very much a Mini with the big headlights. And if we come around the side now, this generation, the F57, they've got these really nice Union Jack roofs. I think that's really stylish actually. And there are other details which show off the Union Jack motif on the car as well. So if we come down the side, we'll see the same light motif. We'll see the same motif repeated on the alloys. The alloys are 18-inch. They look great, a bit fussy maybe in my eyes, but they do make the ride very hard. I want to come round now and show you the back of the car. So around the back of the car, it's classic Mini. It's got the Union Jack rear lights. I like those as well. And in the next part, I'm going to show you how the boot works. Now I'm going to talk about the boot. One of the reasons we got a Cooper S convertible and sold our MX5 was the MX5 had a really small boot. No surprise there, that was only 120 litres. This boot has got 215 litres with the roof up, and with the roof down you get 160 litres of the boot. And I'm going to show you the boot now. First of all, the aperture. You're going to look at it, you think, well, that looks ridiculous, like a postage stamp. That is 215 litres, and I agree, it's not the most accessible, but there is a clever feature. It's got an extender on the boot, which I'm going to show you now. So if I pull that one up, and I pull that one up, you see the levers there, and then I put that up, and then I put this one down. I could put that one down as well if I want. I can now get much bigger items in. So say I'm going on holiday, I can put my parcel shelf up, I could put my cases in, or if I've got a big shop, it goes in much better. I didn't realize that before the salesman Ed showed me, and it really transforms the car. Also, I've got split fold rear seats. They fold there from the boot. So if I'm not using the back seat, I can use it, you know, like a hatchback with their seats down. So it's definitely got more practicality of this car for us for longer trips up north, which was one of the reasons that we bought it. So that is the boot. Let me just put it down again and show you. So down, down, okay, and then up, down. There are loads of really handy people on the Mini forums and on YouTube who show you this sort of stuff. So that's explaining the boot extender. One more thing about the boot. You can sit here, you can have a picnic. It just about fits me. Maximum payload is 80 kilos and I'm about 77, so I'm not risking it, but that's the boot. So this Mini is obviously quite different from my old MX5s, my last two MX5s. It's got an automatic roof, as you see. There it goes. I'm doing it on the fob. Amazing. So it takes 18 seconds. You can open the roof in the car when you're driving it up to 18 miles an hour, or you can do it on the fob like I'm doing at the moment. At the moment it's in sunroof mode, but if I press again, it should. Here it goes. It's now going to put it fully down. So that's the roof going fully down. There you go. It does look a bit like a pram. I know what you mean. When I first saw the Mini convertibles, I thought it looks a bit pram-like, but you get used to it. I think it looks nice roof down. And then one other thing as well, this is dead handy as well. They all come with a wind deflector. I think they all come with a wind deflector. Ours do anyway, which just sits in the boot in a bag, and it goes over the rear seats, and there you are. The wind deflector's up, just a manual wind deflector, really easy. Put it in and out on these two slots here. Child's play. So yeah, and it makes a big difference actually. With the wind deflector up, I can drive at 70 miles an hour on the motorway, not be buffeted. So that's the outside of the car. Now I'm just going to have a go at getting in the back of the car, because obviously it is a reason that we bought the car. We have two lads who are almost 6 foot. One's been in the back already. Now I'm 5'10". I'm going to try and get in the back. For occasional journeys, for putting the dog in the back, it's ideal. So here we go. Not the most dignified, but I can get in. Can I sit behind myself? Yes, I can. I wouldn't want to do an hour down the motorway in it, and the back seat is very angled at 90 degrees, but you know, for occasional trips, taking mates to the pub, that sort of thing, it's absolutely fine. So now, just going to take the Mini for a quick spin and tell you a bit about how it drives. Obviously it drives very differently from my Mazda MX5. I mean, they're both soft tops, you both get this lovely wind in the hair experience, which I love, and I think is really part of my daily commute. It just lifts it. This one is 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol, 190 horsepower, does 0 to 60 in about 6.9 I think, certainly feels quick enough, and has an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox. So it's quicker in the daily world than the MX5. It drives very different. The MX5 was a manual, would just rev to 7,500, but you had to rev it and really drive it. Whereas I almost find this more of a Grand Tourer, and then MX5 was a sports car. I do really like the car. A couple of misgivings I have about the car, but I knew it's a Mini, it's got a very hard ride, and it's on run flats, and it likes to dig out potholes. So the state of the Cheltenham roads aren't great, and I have to be careful about crashing through potholes in it. One other thing about it is it's a bit expensive at the moment to buy fuel, and this car's a bit thirsty on fuel compared to my MX5. In the MX5 I'd be getting 40 miles per gallon no problem without even pushing it, and this one gets me about 27 around town and about 40 on the motorway. Right, the gap's opened up, just going to go for it. So the ZF 8-speed just pulls really well. The car's got lots of grunt, plenty enough speed for me, really easy to drive, all the controls work well. It's different. In conclusion, do I prefer it over the MX5? It's hard to say. It's a different car. I really like it, and it's perfect for us, giving us a bit more space and enjoying this lovely spring sunshine. That's it.